I spent years managing marketing and patient service in a busy hospital. Every day felt like a race, dealing with complaints, designing campaigns, and keeping patients happy. Yet, at the end of every month, my paycheck barely lasted 2 weeks. I wasn't lazy. I was exhausted. Until one night, while reviewing hospital feedback reports, I realized something. I was helping a hospital grow, but not my own finances. As a marketing and customer service manager, I understood growth for others. I knew how to attract patients, design campaigns, and track metrics. But when it came to my personal finances, I was stuck in survival mode. Rent, bills, transport, and food, all gone before mid-month. I tried budgeting, cutting costs, even skipping small treats. But no matter what I did, the math just never added up. That's when it hit me. You can't just manage your salary, you have to multiply it. It was around 11:45 p.m. after a long, draining day. I was scrolling through YouTube when a line from a finance video stopped me cold. You don't need more time, you need better systems. I whispered to myself, that's it. If I could help a hospital grow using marketing systems, then I could build income systems for myself too. And that's how my journey into side hustles began. One late night, one notebook, and one simple decision. My first experiment was print on demand. Now I have absolutely no design background, but I understood people. So I created t-shirts that spoke directly to healthcare workers with slogans like, caffeine, patience, repeat, or keep calm, I'm on call. I uploaded my designs to Etsy and Redbubble, and for 2 months, absolutely nothing. Then, one evening, I got the notification, you've made a sale. I only made a $5 profit, but it felt like proof that this could work. Within 3 months, I was earning an extra $150 a month, all from designs I made during my coffee breaks. My second hustle came from what I already knew: communication. I started a simple blog for healthcare professionals, sharing productivity tools, marketing ideas, and stress management tips. Then, I joined a few affiliate programs like Amazon and Canva. Whenever I mentioned a product I genuinely used and loved, I just added my referral link. My first commission was $19. Then it was $53. By the 4th month, the blog was averaging $200 a month, from articles I had only written once. The third side hustle was my biggest risk: YouTube automation. I'd seen creators telling incredible stories without ever showing their faces. So I learned how to script videos, hired a voiceover artist on Fiverr for just $10, and edited everything myself on CapCut. My very first video got 250 views. My 5th video? Balancing these hustles with my hospital job wasn't easy. I created a non-negotiable rule for myself: 1 hour every single night, no excuses. Some nights I designed t-shirts. Some nights I wrote blog posts. Some nights I just researched new ideas, but I always showed up. Consistency was my secret weapon. After 6 months, I had built an extra $500 a month in income, all without leaving my hospital job. Something inside me shifted. It wasn't just about the extra income, it was about control. For the first time, I didn't feel trapped by my paycheck. I could finally breathe. I could save, invest, and even help my family without that constant fear in the back of my mind. That's when I realized, freedom doesn't start when you quit your job. It starts the moment you begin building your own systems. If you're working long hours and feel like there's no way out, just remember this. You don't need to escape your job to change your life. Start small. Build one income system at a time. I promise you, the very first dollar you earn online will completely change how you see money forever. And one day, you'll look back and smile, realizing that you built your own freedom after hours. Thanks so much for watching my story. If this inspired you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more real stories about money, mindset, and freedom, because your story might just be next.